Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii provides the services of electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system. Labii CRM feature is a powerful customer relationship management tool that provides businesses with advanced features to help them stay organized and effectively manage their client relationships. It enables businesses to keep track of leads, customers, sales opportunities, communication, and more. In this video, I'll present you with a detailed demonstration on how to transfer your customer accounts and contact information into Labii CRM software. Here, I have a list of contacts with their company name, title, phone number and email address. To import these contacts into Labii CRM software, I'll first need to create a list of unique accounts by copying the company name column from my contact list and pasting it into a new tab. From the Data menu, I'll then use the Remove Duplicate function to get a list of distinct company names. Next, I'll download the list of unique company names as a TSV file. After that, I'll open Labii, select the accounts from the side menu, and then click the Import button. In the new window, I'll choose a project to store the accounts, and then select the file I just downloaded. Lastly, I'll configure the import settings so that the company name will be imported into the name field, then, I'll click Submit to start the import process. Once the account import is complete, I'll add the corresponding UID from Labii to the Excel sheet. Since the accounts were imported in an ordered fashion, I can simply find the UID of the first account, and then use the drag feature to autofill the other UIDs. After that, I'll switch back to the Contact tab, where I'll utilize the VLOOKUP function to assign a UID for each account. Once finished, I'll download the contacts as a TSV file. In Labii, select the contacts from the side menu, and then click the Import button. In the new window, I'll choose a project to store the contacts, and then select the file I just downloaded. Lastly, I'll configure the import settings so that the data will be imported into the corresponding field, then, click Submit to start the import process. That's it. By utilizing Labii's import feature, you can quickly and effectively transfer all of your customer information from an Excel file with ease. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup to try it out yourself.